So here is the route, the passageway to getting your KYC slot. All right. As you can see here, it says get your KYC qualification ASAP. Ongoing. Now, follow B Network International on Twitter. This is the first task we have to do. Once we follow them, then we come here to verify. All right. Then next is retweet B Network International on Twitter. So once we retweet, we come here to verify. What's going on, guys? I'm Daniel Patrick and you are welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be basically about you getting your KYC slot in B Network. So if you have been hearing they are giving a KYC slot in B Network and you haven't gotten your KYC slot yet, then this video is for you, because I just discovered a way you can get this KYC slot. You can apply. You can actually apply to get a KYC slot. All right, now a lot of people don't know this, and that's why you have to watch this video and stick to the very end so you don't miss out on any important information I'll be releasing in this video. If you watch my previous videos, I released a video about the 100,000 KYC slot update, but due to the number of people mining this very coin, there are a lot of people that haven't gotten the KYC slots yet. All right, so the big network just provided a way which you can apply for this KYC slot, but still yet a lot of people don't know about it. So that's why I've decided to create this video for you. So I'm not going to waste your time. I'm just going to go straight to the point. All right, straight to the point. How to get this KYC slot, how to apply, what to do, step-by-step process. So pay close attention and watch this video. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, just make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out whenever I create videos like this. So without further ado, let's jump into this video right now. So first thing first, once you log into your B Network app, you want to come over to this place that says profile. All right, just click on this very icon right here and come over to event center. All right, just click on event center and then come over to this very place right here. As you can see right here, it says get your KYC application ASAP. Boom, this is it right here, guys. This is it right here, guys. Now a lot of people don't know that this very event is actually going on. All right, now for applying for this alone, you get 1 Bitcoin. I know that is nothing, but the major goal is to get your KYC slot. All right, now these are a list of things you have to do, but there's one important thing you need to do, which is updating your app. So first thing first, we're going to go over to Google Play Store. All right, go over to Google Play Store or your Apple Store and update your B Network app right now. All right, so I'm just going to minimize this right now and then go over to Play Store. All right, I'm just going to click on that and then I'm going to type B Network in the search bar. All right, it's already popping out here, so I'm just going to take that. As you can see here, it says update. All right, it says update, so I'm just going to click on the update button and it's going to start loading up. Right, so we're going to simply wait for this to update right now and then we'll move to the next phase of this video. So as you can see, just 3.3 MB, very little update added to this. So we're just going to simply click on play right now and it would restart this very app for us. All right, once an update is applied, the app gets to restart. All right, it does same for every app. So how do we get our KYC slot? Let's go back to profile right here and then click on event center. So how do we get it? Where is it? And boom, guys. So here is the route, the passageway to getting your KYC slot. All right, as you can see here, it says get your KYC qualification ASAP. Ongoing. Now follow B Network International on Twitter. This is the first task we have to do. Once we follow them, then we come here to verify. All right, then next is retweet B Network International on Twitter. So once we retweet, we come here to verify. Now for those of us who don't have Twitter accounts, it's easy. Just go to Google Play Store, the place I went to download this very app right now, to update this very app right now. Just go there, search for Twitter in the search bar and download this social media platform just like Instagram, Facebook and the likes. Now let's quickly read this description right here. As you can see, it says hello believers, here is an event for you who needs KYC to complete. All right, if you need KYC to complete, so this is basically for you guys, and it was rolled out by the B Network core team. All right, so next says follow B Network official Twitter account to get your KYC qualification. Once you complete the event, check to profile page to apply for your KYC. Now, this is a picture right here telling you where to get your KYC slot. I'm just going to head back. I'm just going to quickly head back right now, and if I click on KYC verification right here, this is actually where you get to receive to know if you have gotten a KYC verification, right? But if I click on it right now, you're going to see a prompt that says next round is coming soon. All right, so once we complete this event, always come here to check if you have been given a KYC slot. All right, so I'm just going to go back to the event center right now, and I'm going to scroll back to get your KYC qualification ASAP. So back to reading what we are reading in the description. As you can see, it says to pass KYC verification successfully, please read the following steps patiently. Number 1, after your account qualifies for KYC, please first bind at least 2 accounts: Twitter, Facebook, Discord, or Telegram. 2, submit valid documents such as passports, ID cards, driver license, etc. All right, okay, etc. Depending on the one your country, or depending on the requirements your country is asked to provide. 3, submit correct facial recognition information that matches your document. All right, the picture you take must be clear and correct. All right, I'm going to perform this task right now in front of you. All right, this very task right here in front of you, and I'm going to show you where to bind your account. All right, so before we move to 4, let's go back to 1. All right, which says after your account qualifies for KYC, please first bind at least 2 accounts. All right, let's do that now in preparation of the KYC slot. So I'm just going to head back right now, head back again. So I'm just going to go over right now and click on accounts and security. All right, accounts and security, this is where you're meant to come to. So just click on account and security, and as you can see right here, my phone number has already been binded with this very app. I've bind it with this very app. My email is okay, my Facebook is okay, and my Twitter. All right, so 2 social media platforms, which is either Telegram, Facebook, Twitter. And as you can see here, I have performed these tasks for Facebook and Twitter. So you can also do same if you download Twitter right away. That is for those who don't have Twitter. So I'm just going to go back to the event center and then click on get your KYC ASAP. Now let's read the description 4. So the description 4 says wait patiently for the system to verify your information, which usually takes 3 to 5 working days with a maximum of 14 days. That is, if you're given this KYC slot and you happen to perform your KYC, you have to wait for at least 3 to 5 working days, max 2 weeks. All right, so if you don't get if you don't pass the KYC yet, or you don't get a notification that says you have passed KYC, just patiently wait. There's no need for panic. All right, PS, always keep your B Network app updated to avoid any potential KYC issue. Like we just did, I just updated my B Network app, and if you look down here, you can see the number of believers that have performed this task, over 3k plus. All right, so more than 3k people have actually claimed this. All right, out of over 27 million people. That means a lot of people don't know about this. So I want you to do something for me. All right, if you finish watching this video, share this video. All right, so that a lot of people will get to know about this information before this event goes off, because no one knows when this is going off. And if you're watching this right now, seize this opportunity immediately. All right, share this video. Whether or not you are good in sharing video, it's not compulsory, but for the sake of others, if you have someone that it might be of help to, try as much as possible to share this video so they get to also perform their KYC. All right, or get a KYC slot so that they're able to perform their KYC. So first thing first is to follow B Network official Twitter accounts. All right, follow B Network on Twitter. So how do we do that? I'm just going to go here and click on the follow. Click right here, follow, and as you can see, it's going to automatically redirect us to Twitter. So it's loading, and as you can see, it says welcome. So as you can see right here, it says now you can follow them. So if you haven't followed them, just come over here and click on this follow, this black follow button. All right, but if you look closely here, you will see that I have been following them even before this update came up. All right, I've been following them. All right, you should also follow them if you want to stay updated. If you want to stay updated about the latest happenings in the app. So whether or not you have followed them, just click on this black follow button. All right, make sure you still click on this. All right, so I'm just going to click on that right now, and it's integrating right now, and as you can see here, it's still marked as following. All right, so this is the official B Network Twitter handle. All right, B Network Twitter account. All right, so and as you can see here, they have over 488k followers. So I'm just going to head back right now by clicking on this very button, the cancel button right there. So I'm just going to click on that, and then I'm going to come over here and click on verify. All right, whether or not you've been following them on Twitter, you have to make sure that you still click on that follow button and click on follow. If not, it might not propagate. All right, so it won't propagate properly. So as you can see here, it's checked right now to confirm that I'm following them. I'm actually following them. Now next step is to retweet their post. All right, they're going to give you a post to retweet. All right, once we are done with that, we will go ahead and click on verify. So I'm just going to click on retweet right now, and it would again automatically redirect us to Twitter. So this is the tweet we are meant to repost right here. As you can see, it says welcome. You can now repost that. So we're just going to go ahead and click on repost. All right, this is what we're meant to do. Click on repost right now, and it's automatically going to repost this in your Twitter account. So I'm just going to click on that, and it's integrating. If you haven't watched the video for the 100,000 KYC slot I released, make sure you go to my channel right now and watch the video. I'll also leave the link in the description of this video. If you haven't joined B Network, make sure you do that. You can use my invitation code Danisaint to join B Network. I'll leave that up in the screen right now. So I'll leave that on the screen right now, and as you can see here, I have over 5.1k reaction. A lot of people interacted with this post. I'm just going to go back right now and click on the cancel button. All right, so and then we'll go ahead and click on verify, and it's going to check green to clarify that we have actually performed this task. And before, if you notice, before this very app, this very button right here was this very button right here was not that visible, but now it is visible. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and click on the claim reward, and it's loading up. And as you can see right here, it says you were selected and won prize of 1 coin. All right, so 1 coin have been given to me. That actually means nothing, but the main point is getting a KYC slot, which is something that will be sent to us in maybe a few days time. But I'm hoping maybe 2 weeks max and we get the KYC slot. All right, but people that do not do this would actually find it hard to get the KYC slot. You might be lucky to get the KYC slot. You might have even gotten yours. All right, this video is not for those that have gotten theirs. This video is for those that haven't gotten theirs. This will quicken the process. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on got it. All right, and we are going to wait for the KYC slot, whenever they are going to send the KYC slot. And as you can see, when I clicked on list of winners, this button beneath the winner bar right here, it showed my username, all right, which is also my invitation code, which you can use to join B Network if you haven't. All right, and here is the username of others who have joined. So when I clicked on the list of winners, it showed my invitation code right here, or my username, proving that I have actually performed this very task. All right, meaning that I will get the KYC slot in due time, or very soon. I'm going to get the KYC slot. Make sure you click on the list of winners right here, so that you make sure that your name is among the list of winners. All right, so you'll be sure that you're going to get the KYC slot. Once you see this, then there's high possibility you are going to be sent the KYC slot. Of course, your name have been enlisted or enrolled into the system for the next batch of KYC. All right, so this is basically the video I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure you leave a like. All right, also share this video like I said before, so that a lot of people get to see. And if you don't want to miss out on any updates like this, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to all, so you don't miss out on any information or updates I drop on this channel. All right, if you haven't joined our social media handle, you can do that by using the link in the description of this video. We have a Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp community right there. You can join anyone based on the social media platform you use. I remain your crypto guy, Daniel Patrick, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.